me, don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me.
Welcome back, car enthusiasts. It's your DCS right back again. So in today's video, before we get started, I know it's a really interesting video, so before we get started, I just wanted to ask you all, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine, and I wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance, because I couldn't do it in the previous video. So yeah, here you go, guys. I know this year has been a roller coaster ride with all the crazy COVID-19 pandemic, but we just gotta leave that all behind, and let's welcome 2021 with a smile. And thank you all for all your support this year. I couldn't have done it without you, and I'm expecting the same in the future too. So yeah, moving on to today's car. It's not the Hot Wheels series, it's the diecast Mel collection. It's a pullback action door opening car, 139 scale from Innovador. So this time's car is the Porsche 911 GT3 RSR, a crazy race car. So I really like the design on this car, and this is not even street legal, guys. A crazy race car which is not even street legal. And also in IRL, this car does a maximum RPM of 9,400. That's so damn crazy. It's amazingly fast too, I expect it to be, and it's also one of the world's most successful GT race cars. So that's the best part about the Porsche 911 GT3 RSR. So as we have discussed this much about it, let's talk about the previous video which I uploaded. It was the Dodge Dart, guys. If you're interested, check it out. It'll be up in the screen right here. Of course, that car was also amazing, but it was a Hot Wheels series, so this time it's a diecast series. So yeah, let's just move on for the unboxing now. I can't wait to get this out of the box. And I just wanted to show you around the box, guys. So this is how it looks outside the box, as it has changed a lot compared to the previous one. So let's go for the unboxing. Alright, looks like we have skipped the unboxing part, guys, but no worries. Let's just look at the car. The first look of the Porsche 911 GT3 RSR. It's so damn amazing, guys. I really love the look on this car, especially those oval headlamps of Porsche. That's so damn cool, and the front hood vents, so damn nice. And the BBS wheel rims, really cool. Love that design. There are no treads on the tires because of course it's a race car, and this car doesn't look much like a race car because it misses the decals, but still the body, fenders, and the body kits really cover them up. And can't forget the spoiler. The rear spoiler is also so amazing. Love the rear spoiler and the exhaust too. And I forgot to mention, the tail lamps are from a current gen 977. That's how you can tell this car is a 2011 Porsche RSR, not the latest one, you know. So yeah, this is the round look, guys, and the interior is also pretty damn amazing. Love the bucket seat, they're so cool. Well, why don't we just listen to the pullback action of this car? Here goes. Love the sound of it, guys, so damn nice. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. That's the round look of the Porsche GT3 RSR. So why don't we just go for the information now? Let's see what's it got under the boot. So now, it is the information time of the Porsche 911 GT3 RSR. It is going to be a short one, guys, as this is the diecast series. So starting off with the engine, guys. The engine is a naturally aspirated 4-liter 6-cylinder boxer engine, guys. So yeah, you know the boxer engines of the Porsche, it'll be at the rear of the car. So yeah, and this is a rear wheel drive. Well, talking about the transmission is a 6-speed sequential jaw type shift gearbox, guys. So I don't know what jaw type shift exactly means, but yeah, it is a sequential 6-speed gearbox, guys. Well, talking about the acceleration, I totally forgot. The acceleration time of this car is approximately 3.7 seconds. Well, that is pretty much. It had to be a bit less for a race car, you know. Well, talking about the top speed, don't know exactly, guys. Well, the top speed of the GT3 RS is 190 miles per hour, so it'll be close to that. Well, talking about the price, guys. The price is actually 410,000 euros, guys. That is before tax. So it is a pretty expensive race car if you want to have one. And going for the last thing, guys, that is the horsepower. The horsepower is actually 455 horsepower. That is also less, you know, for a race car, that is. But considering it's so damn light, so yeah, it is kind of cool. Well, as it is the end of the information, now let's talk about its ratings, guys. Well, I give it a 9 out of 10, looking at all of its performance details and its looks, obviously. I give it a 9 out of 10, guys. So yeah, comment your ratings down below. I want to check it out, and there's no quiz today, so sorry, guys. Well, there you have it. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for that. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend and Happy New Year, guys.